Welcome back to the channel. If you're using the Waze app and want to customize your driving experience, today's video is just for you. We'll show you how to change the voice that gives you directions while using Waze. Whether you want a different language or just a new voice, it's simple to do. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now scroll down a bit and select Voice and Sound. After that, tap on Waze Voice. You'll see a list of available voices, each labeled with its name and the language it supports. Scroll through the list and choose the voice you like best. Waze offers a variety of options in different languages and accents. Just tap on one, and it will be set as your default navigation voice. Some voices may require a quick download, so give it a few seconds if needed. Finally, once you've selected your new voice, go back to the home screen. The next time you start driving with Waze, you'll hear your chosen voice giving you directions. And that's it. Changing the voice in Waze is quick and easy. Try out a few and pick the one that suits you best. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.